more rain. Sunday, we're on a quarantine. I've just left the house all day. It's like after 3 local time. And I thought I would come and get something done. Because I'm arriving here, the rain kind of got me trapped. So I can't even move at the moment. It's good. You can see the answer. The weight of the rain right now. I don't mind if I'm wetting. I've already gotten wet. But I cannot allow my device of my charger to become wet also. Yesterday was a long, stressful day. I'm not trying to enjoy myself today. I'm actually pretty tired. Presently we have some trucks and tractors on the road to fix some of the damage to the road. It's Sunday the 30th of August. And they've only gone the road about 5-10 minutes ago. I cannot imagine what work they're able to get done during this downpour. So the moment is pretty bad and shows no real sign of holding up anytime soon. Well, I hope it's not too lasting. Seems though the vehicles are returning now. Them there. Tractor should not be far behind. Again, like I said, I cannot allow for my device to become wet as a result of recording. So we just have to kind of edit them together as we go. Yeah. But I think that Sean had reached back from Trinity already because she's going to do Safin Europe here. From within the shelter from which I now stand, going to rain and this just after 3 on August 30th, 2020. I don't really stay home much. I do like to go out. And unfortunately, I chose a terrible time to come out now. Sky is grey. Rain is pouring. I'm in adequate shelter. A little much wet. Waiting the following week or traffic to return. Trucks are now passing through.